Hello everyone. Today, we're discussing an important Supreme Court ruling regarding the eviction of children from their parents' home under the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act, 2007. Recently, the Supreme Court held that this act does not mandate the eviction of children from their parents' home in every case. The ruling came while rejecting a mother's plea to evict her son from her property. The Senior Citizens Act was enacted to protect the welfare of elderly parents. It allows them to claim maintenance and even seek eviction of children or legal heirs in cases of harassment or neglect. In this case, the mother sought her son's eviction, but the Supreme Court clarified that eviction isn't automatic. The court emphasized that each case needs to be judged individually. The mere existence of a dispute does not warrant eviction unless there is evidence of harassment or ill treatment. This ruling ensures that while the Act protects senior citizens, it also prevents its misuse by making eviction automatic in every conflict. Courts will now carefully examine the circumstances before ordering eviction. What are your thoughts on this decision? Should senior citizens have a stronger right to evict their children? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal updates.